In this video, we'll be taking a look at the wall screen. This is where you define any custom external walls or roofs that you will later call up in the external screen. This screen is optional and is not required if you want to use the wall and roof types already included in the standard library. To create a custom wall or roof type, first enter a unique wall type identifier in the field at the top. Despite the name, this field is used for roofs as well. In the U-value field, you'll need to enter in the overall summer heat transmission coefficient in watts per meter squared Kelvin. Lastly, you enter the surface density of the wall in kilograms per meter squared. You can access the standard libraries by clicking the buttons for the walls and roofs at the top of the screen. These can be useful as a point of reference when creating your own custom wall and roof types. The associated U-values and surface densities can be found on the right here for each option in the library. That's all for this video. Please join me in the next one, where we'll be looking at the chiller, boiler and circuit screen. Bye for now.